Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 29th September 2023. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company Limited has received a show cause notice from the Directorate General of GST Intelligence regarding non-payment of a tax demand of Rs 1,728.9 crores. The notice is related to the non-payment of goods and service tax for the period from July 2017 to March 2022. Specifically, the demand pertains to non-payment of GST on co-insurance premium and reinsurance commission. ICICI Lombard has stated that it will respond to the notice within the prescribed timeline. The company mentioned that the notice pertains to industry-wide issues and they will provide an appropriate response based on the advice of their tax advisors. In a major relief to the micro, small and medium enterprises, various ministries, departments of Government of India have accepted more than 10,000 claims of MSMEs under Vivad Se Vishwas 1 scheme aimed at providing relief to MSMEs for the COVID-19 pandemic period. This has led to a grant of more than Rs 256 crores to MSMEs and increased flow of bank credit through freeing up of guarantees. SEBI has extended the timeline for existing trading and dmat account holders to provide a choice of nomination or formally opt out of nomination through a declaration form by 3 months, that is 31st December 2023. Further, the submission of choice of nomination for trading accounts has been made voluntary by the regulator as a move towards ease of doing business. Earlier, the deadline for existing trading and dmat account holders to provide a choice of nomination was on or before September 30th, 2023. The SEBI had issued multiple circulars, directions, and operating instructions to merchant bankers on a regular basis to ensure compliance. In order to enable the stakeholders to have access to all circulars at one place, a master circular regarding merchant bankers has been issued. This master circular is a compilation of all the existing circulars and directions issued by SEBI to merchant bankers. Abu Dhabi-based International Holding Co. on Thursday said that the company plans to sell its investment in Adani Group firms Adani Green Energy Limited and Adani Energy Solutions Limited. The decision to sell off the investment is part of the company's plan to rebalance its overall portfolio strategy. The company's subsidiaries Green Energy Investment Holding RSC and Green Transmission Investment Holding RSC have already entered into definitive agreements with the buyer to sell their stake. After wheat, rice and onion, India is mulling restrictions on exports of sugar to keep a check on prices and ensure supply in the country. The Department of Consumer Affairs is in favor of such export restrictions. There could be restrictions or very limited quota on outbound shipments. The final decision on allowing sugar exports from India during the upcoming sugar season, which starts from October 1st, will be taken after mid-October. The last time India imposed a 20% tax on sugar exports to curb overseas sales was in 2016. India's retail inflation in August was 6.83% and food inflation eased to 9.94% in August from 11.51% in July. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.